This video is sponsored by Venngage.
Hi, I'm Stephy Hogan with CreativePro, and today I'm going to show you how to maintain both handouts and your presentation within one PowerPoint deck. Okay, here we have a presentation I'm working on in PowerPoint, and I have the on-screen slide right where I want it to be, just enough detail, not too much. Now, there's a lot of background information that is pertinent to what I'll be speaking to here. I don't want that on my slide. I would like that to be in a handout, and I don't want to have to maintain two files. Now, I also want some speaker notes. So as I'm speaking, if you play your slideshow, this is what the presenter view looks like. And this is where your speaker notes show up right here on this area. Anything you put in your notes area below the slide, and you can get to that by going down to the status bar and clicking on notes, or you can go to the view tab and you can click on this notes icon right here. So this is where I have my speaker notes. It's also where I have underneath all of this extra information down here that I would like to show on the handout. So where does all of this information show up? I showed you where the speaker notes show up when you're presenting. But to see where everything also shows up, it shows up on the notes page. So if you end up going to view up here and then you click on notes page, you'll see that everything here on the notes page underneath the slide is everything that I had in my speaker notes section. I'm here, I only want the handout stuff. So what if I then select my speaker notes? Let me make this a little bigger. What if I select my speaker notes and I delete those? Okay, wonderful. So let's go back to our normal view. And down here where all of my speaker notes were that I just deleted, they're also deleted from this little notes pane down here. It's because the placeholder that exists on the notes page, I mean, it's the same content bucket as your notes pane over here. But there is a workaround for that, because if I delete my speaker notes here, I don't see speaker notes when I speak. But if I delete all this extra information, my handout will only have speaker notes. And that's a bummer. I don't want that. So there's a way to fix it. We're going to go into our Notes Master, which is up here under View and Notes Master. So we go there. And here you'll see the slide itself and this area down here of content. What that is, if you look up in the Notes Master area, header, slide image, footer, date, body, page number. This body checkbox here, now watch what happens when I uncheck it. This goes away. That body placeholder is speaker notes. So we can't delete them or they go away for everybody, but what we can do for speaker notes specifically, you take this speaker notes placeholder, which honestly, it should be called speaker notes placeholder, and we just drag it off onto the pasteboard over here. And what I do is I'll go up to Home, over here to Shapes, and just grab a text box and put it right above this placeholder here. And then I type in speaker notes, do not delete. And of course, I want this to be very obnoxious. So let's make it bold, underline, really bright color. And now that will just permanently be above where these speaker notes sit. As long as this placeholder exists in the Notes Master, your speaker notes are safe. So let's go back to View, and now we'll go to the actual notes page itself. Now here you'll see that speaker notes, I can't move that, but this stuff hasn't moved over here. So what do? Right click, choose Notes Layout, and then choose Reapply Master and say, okay. Now that has moved all of the stuff I have in speaker notes, all the speaker notes over here. And now what I can do is take all of that extra information that I actually want in my handout, and then I can paste this onto the notes page, and I can do whatever I want with it. I can do columns, I could add charts, I can format it how I want it to be. And so that way you've got a portrait, letter-sized notes page here. And then when we go back to view normal, here we have our speaker notes and nothing else, plus our on-screen slide. So that's your 3-in-1 deck, and you can maintain both handouts and the presentation itself all in the native PowerPoint file.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.